In this video, I will show you how to create a Google form for job application. This is very simple and easy to do. I will walk you through the steps that are involved in all of this process. First of all, you need to get signed into your Google account. Once you're signed into your Google account, you can come over to the right side where we have Google Apps, click on it. Then once you click on it, you can simply scroll down and then you will see forms. Click on these forms and then you wait for it to load. Now you can see the different templates that we have here. You can see we just have blank form. We see we have also job applications and then contact form. If you click here, you will see all other templates that we have as well. You can possibly choose any one and then you can start with that particular one. If you wish to start with a blank form, you can just simply click on this one. In my previous videos, I discussed on how you can use this blank form to actually get started. But in today's tutorial, I want us to pick this job application form. Then once we click on it, you see it will appear here for us, and then we see how we can actually use it. This is just the template. You can see job application form. If you scroll down, you will see all the things that are needed in this particular form for you. You can see the need. This is job application form. This is just the description. This is just name, your first name and all, email address, phone number, which position are you applying, submit your cover letter or resume. So this is just what they have in this very place. Now for you, you can possibly come up here and then you can just edit it and then fit it to whatever you are using it for. Let's say the name of my company is Creative Computer Skills. And then of course here I can just put it as job application form. Once I'm done with this write-up, I can possibly highlight it and then you can see that it is also nice. In this very place, you see we have names and then you can see that the name option is compulsory. Now you tick this, you make sure that this required is selected, because if you did not tick it, it will not show this compulsory of a thing that you have here. You can see if you uncheck it right now, you see it will not show you that particular red stuff that you have by it. So you make sure that you tick it. And then this is where the person provides the necessary information that is required of him or her. You can possibly duplicate this if you wish to duplicate it and then use it for another. Then this is the type of answer that is needed. You can see it is just a short answer. Now, if it is things that like a paragraph, so you can choose this particular one. If you look down from here, multiple option checkbox, pull down menu, file upload, linear scale, and then down to date and time. Now that's just exactly how you can prepare it. Now if you look at this very place where we have which job position are you interested. If you look here, someone can possibly tick this one, tick this one, tick this one, which actually do not make sense. So you can possibly come here, then you choose this multiple choice, and then one we just have to choose a particular one. If you come up here, let's say the person wants this content curation option. You can see it is very simple to do. Let's say the editor, video editor. Now once you come up here, let's say we have data entry. You can also click here to add more. Now let's say we have computer analyst. Then you can possibly click here now to also have email manager, and the rest of them. So from here now, one can just choose a particular option that he or she actually want to uh, apply for. Now, if you are done with this, if you wish to add another, you can possibly click on this add question, and then it will come up this way for you. Let's say you want the person to upload his or her passport. Upload your passport. Now here you now come here and choose upload file, and then the person will have to, and then we need the person to stick to a particular file type. You can just choose any of these, let's say image, and then the person will have to stick to that. Now, we don't want that file size to exceed a particular size. We can just choose a particular megabyte. We don't want more than one. It is just only one that we need, and then we can actually make it compulsory. And then that is just the way you go about with this particular one. You can see what is expected of that person. If you also want to get maybe the CV of the person, you can say CV upload. Now you can come up here, then choose upload files. Then you have it this way. What type of file do you want that person to upload? It should be PDF file or document file. Aside from this, it will not accept any other file format. Aside from this, no other file format will be accepted. Of what size do we want to maintain? We can just leave it at 10 megabyte, and then we can also make it compulsory, and then we go about with other ones. And so this is just simply the way you can prepare your job application form. You can see if you wish to add up other ones, you can just go ahead and then you click and add as well. Now, if you are done, this is this particular image here. You can possibly click on this customize theme, and then you scroll down to where we have header. You can possibly click here right now, and then you see all other format that you can possibly use. If you wish to change that particular one, it is all left for you. If you wish to upload your own image, you can just select your photo either from Google Drive, Google Image, or by URL, or you can just upload it by yourself. And so that is just simply the way you can go about with all of that. Now let's say we have this particular one, add it, insert it. You can see it will replace this particular one that we have. So by the time you are done, you can just simply click on publish, and then this will be published for you. You can see anyone with this link, we have to respond to it. Of course, you click publish. You can now copy this link from here, and then you forward it to wherever you want to forward it for people to respond. You can place it in your website. You can also place it, share it with people in a group, and then they will respond to it. At the end, you can come over to this response area. You see the response of people, and then you can now react to it. So this is just a simple way you can create a Google form for job application.